Let's make peanut butter blossoms. Start with peanut butter in a large bowl. Then you're going to add shortening. You could use butter if you wanted. If you use shortening, it makes it dairy-free. And you're going to mix that till it's smooth and creamy. Add sugar. Mix. Then you're going to add brown sugar. I used light brown sugar for this. And beat until that is creamy. Add your egg and some milk. I used almond milk, again, to keep it dairy-free. You could also use regular milk. Then you're going to add vanilla, and you're going to mix that really well till it's completely combined. Then you're going to gradually add your flour mixture. The full recipe is going to be on momlovesbaking.com. I have a link. If you're watching this on YouTube, there's a link below. Or if you're already on my website, then you can just scroll down to see the recipe. So you're going to mix in the flour gradually in 3 batches. Add some salt. And then you're going to shape it into balls and dip in some more granulated sugar. Bake them at 350. And then as soon as they come out of the oven, you're going to carefully press a Hershey's Kiss into the center of each cookie. And be really careful because they're going to be really hot. But you don't want to wait to do this because you want to do it while they're still sort of soft. And then let them cool and enjoy. They are so delicious and perfect for the holidays.